If you want to set up a private space on OPPO Find X9, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we can scroll down a little bit and then choose Security and Privacy. In here, scroll down in order to find the Private Safe option. So once we go over here, we need to set up the privacy password unless you actually set it up before, for example, for the app lock or for hidden apps. So let's tap on Set Password. Now over here we can set up the privacy password, of course. You can tap on Use a different password type in order to change the password type to something else. So let's say I'm going to use a pattern instead. Enter your password twice. You can also use your HeyTap account or OPPO account in order to be able to recover the password in case you lose it. So if you want to, you can just choose the link. If not, then of course we can tap on Not Now. And then we have security settings. So we need to use one of these three options as a safety method, the recovery method. So let's say I'm going to choose the security question. I'm just gonna type anything in here, but in your case, you want to properly set it up to be able to actually be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So now, over here we have the private space. It has been immediately created, and you should be able to find it, I believe, well, maybe not at first in here, so we're gonna go back to these settings. Let's reopen the private space. And in here, in the upper right corner, we can tap on these three dots and choose settings. There we go. Over here, we can create a home screen icon. So we have quicker access to the private space. We can just tap over here, enter the password, and there we go. In here, we can store images and videos, audio files, documents, and other files as well. So if you go over here, you can, of course, view them. We can also press Add in order to transfer files into the private safe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Of course, in these settings, we also can change the privacy password in case you need to do that. But that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.